Please see now. Area of triangle. This is the triangle ABC. See carefully. This is altitude. It is denoted by P1. First altitude is denoted by P1. So, area of triangle. The basic formula is 1 by 2 base into height. One by 2 base into height. I am starting, please see. The capital letter this denotes area of triangle. Delta, this is denoting area of triangle. I will write here delta. So, I am rewriting, please see here. 1 by 2, base is BC into 1 altitude P1. Proceed. BC you know is A, P1. I am rewriting P1, please see here. This is C, this is B, and this is A. 1 by 2, BC is A, P1 I have written P1 by C into C. 1 by 2, AC, P1 by C is sin B. Opposite side by hypotenuse is sin B. So, a formula has come to my hand now. 1 by 2 AC sin B. It can better be understood in the figure itself once again. This is A, this is B, this is C, capital letters, angles, small letters. 1 by 2 AC sin B. Look here, 1 by 2 AC sin B. So, area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 product of two sides and the sine of the included angle. 1 by 2 AC sin B. Product of two sides, sine of the included angle. It will be clear once again when I write similarly. Here, area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2. You can take any two sides now, any two sides. I will take AB. Then sine of the included angle. Or you can take other two sides, BC, sine of the included angle. So, area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 product of any two sides multiplied by sine of the included angle. I am writing it now. One by 2 product of two sides, any two sides. multiplied by sine of the included angle. In solving questions, we will use this also sometimes. I will show you and remind you of this one when I go to solve such questions. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 product of two of the sides, any two sides, into sine of the included angle. Therefore, now what we have done, please see here. One by 2 BC sin A, BC sin A, CA sin B, CA sin B, AB sin C, 1 by 2 AB sin C. Delta is equal to 1 by 2 BC sin A, delta is equal to 1 by 2 CA sin B, delta is equal to AB sin C. That means that 1 by 2 BC sin A is equal to 1 by 2 CA sin B is equal to 1 by 2 AB sin C, as each is equal to delta. Cancel half from all. BC sin A is equal to CA sin B is equal to AB sin C. Dividing by ABC, please see, BC sin A by ABC, CA sin B by ABC, AB sin C by ABC. From here, BC gets cancelled, you get sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C. Sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C. This is known as sine formula or sine rule. Sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C, or please see carefully, sin A is to sin B is to sin C is equal to A is to B is to C. Sin A is to sin B is to sin C is equal to A is to B is to C. Also, please see the first two only. Sin A by A is equal to sin B by B. This may be rewritten please watch. Sin A by sin B is equal to A by B, or sin B by B sin C is equal to B by C. So, sin A by B, sin B is equal to A by B. Wherever in the questions A by B comes, I will write sin A by sin B. Or in any question, if you get sin C by sin A, I will write C by A. Also, by proportionality, if I get somewhere sin A plus sin B by sin C I will write A plus B by C. This is by proportionality. Don't think value of sin A is A, value of sin B is B, value of sin C is C. It is by proportionality only. Similarly, see here once again. Sin square A plus sin square B sin square A minus sin square B. If it comes in any question like this, I will straight away write A square plus B square by A square minus B square. Once again, this is by proportionality, not that the values are substituted or values are taken. It depends upon the questions, how we use it. So many times in questions you will come across like this. Please see here, C plus A minus B by A. I will straight write sin C plus sin A minus sin B by sin A. This is by proportionality. So we can substitute like that, but that doesn't mean that we are putting the values C for sin C, A for sin A, B for sin B. It is not like that. One by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. Similarly, there can be a perpendicular on this side, P2. So delta is equal to 1 by 2 BP2. Similarly, there can be a perpendicular here on C, P3, 1 by 2 CP3. P1, P2, P3 are altitudes I am writing. From A is P1. From B is P2, from C is P3 respectively. The purpose of showing this is delta is equal to half A P1, delta is equal to half B P2, delta is equal to half C P3. I am rewriting. Please watch carefully now. P1 is equal to 2 delta by A. P2 is equal to 2 delta by B. P3 is equal to 2 delta by C. Even these will be used in solving questions, or I may write 1 by P1 is equal to A by 2 delta, 1 by P2 is equal to B by 2 delta, 1 by P3 is equal to C by 2 delta. These will be freely used during the course of solving questions.